This is the easiest, the simplest beginner-friendly skincare routine video that you're going to see out there that will help you achieve a glowing and radiant skin. So if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start from when it comes to skincare, this video is for you, especially those that don't have like any major skin concern. They don't have acne, they don't have hyperpigmentation, their skin is probably looking dull and not as radiant as they want to. These are the people that will benefit very well from this video. Now, you don't need a 10-step skincare routine as a beginner. Even if you are not a beginner, you still don't need a 10-step skincare routine to get a glowing skin. Some of all these additional products that people use, they are just unnecessary. Some of them just use it to brag, or they see it as a flex that they're using like a lot of products. Some people are using 2-3 products that will do the same thing on their skin. This is a waste of time and a waste of money. And as a beginner, you don't need to go through all that stress. Now in this video, I'll be showing you the key things you need in your skincare routine. If you want to still add any other thing, you are on your own, but with the products or with the steps I'm going to show you, they are enough to give you that glowing, that radiant skin in as fast as 3 to 4 weeks. You are going to see visible changes in your skin. Your skin will start to look very bright. Your skin will start to glow. In fact, people around you will notice that there is a difference in your skin. So if this video sounds like something that resonates with you, whether you are a beginner or you've been doing skincare and you just want to simplify your skincare routine, please watch this video to the end. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to join this amazing family. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. The first thing you need to do before you even start getting any skincare product is to know your skin type. I believe that by now everybody knows their skin type. So if your skin is oily, your skin is dry, your skin is combination, or you have a normal skin, or your skin is sensitive, you need to use products that matches your skin type. It is very important, because you might get a good product but the product is not good for your skin type. If you use that product, it might have an adverse reaction on your skin. Once you know your skin type, we go over to the first step in your skincare routine, which is cleansing. Now, cleansing is one underrated step. People don't talk about it so much, but it is very important. Cleansing is like your foundation. If your foundation is not built properly, the other things you're doing is just a waste of time. Use the right cleanser for your skin type. Ensure that you're using a mild and a gentle cleanser. Don't go and use any cleanser that will make your skin feel very tight or feel very, squeaky clean. Any cleanser that leaves your skin feeling squeaky clean or makes your skin feel very dry is not a good cleanser for you. A good cleanser is supposed to cleanse your skin very well without stripping your skin of its natural oil. If you have a dry skin, opt for a hydrating face wash or cleanser. Avoid anything foaming. Don't use foaming cleansers if you have a dry skin. But for oily skin, you can use foaming cleanser. You can even use a hydrating cleanser even if you have an oily skin. I have an oily skin and I use a hydrating cleanser and it works perfectly fine for me. If you have a normal skin, you can use a hydrating cleanser also. If you have a combination skin, you can also use a hydrating cleanser. In fact, if you're not sure of your skin type, just get a hydrating cleanser, a hydrating gentle cleanser. There are different brands you can pick cleansers from. If you have money to splurge, you can get any of the variants of cleansers from Serum. They have hydrating cleansers, they have foaming cleansers, they have different variants. So pick the one that suits your skin type. If you want something more affordable, if you're on a budget, which I highly recommend, get cleansers from Face Fact brand. Okay, Face Fact brand, they also have different variants. They have the hydrating cleanser, they have the foaming cleanser, they even have the oil control cleanser. This one is for people that have oily skin. Another affordable brand that you can get cleansers from is the Simple brand. Now, there is one thing picking the right cleanser for your skin type, and there is another thing knowing how to cleanse your skin properly. So many people don't know how to cleanse their skin, and that is why they keep breaking out. That is why their skin will keep looking dull, because they are not cleansing their skin properly. Now, this is how you should cleanse your skin. Apply your cleanser on a wet face, not on a dry face. Now, massage that cleanser into your skin in a circular motion using your fingertips. Massage it into your skin for about 60 seconds to ensure that your skin is properly clean. Some people don't even wash their face for up to 15 seconds. They just do it in a hurry and then they go into their next step. Then the next step is to tone. You are going to get yourself a hydrating toner. Now, this step is not compulsory. This step is very much optional. If you're on a budget and you cannot afford to get a toner, or if you don't want to stress yourself, if you want a very simple routine, you can do without your toner. Yes, But if you want to have an added advantage, then get yourself a hydrating toner. Some of these hydrating toners also have like brightening ingredients like niacinamide or licorice extract. So look for a very good toner that will brighten your skin and hydrate your skin. You can get these good molecules hydrating toner. It contains niacinamide that will help to brighten your skin. It contains lots of hydrating ingredients that will also help to hydrate your skin and make your skin look plump. You can get this aqua licorice toner. This is my favorite toner. This is a brightening toner and a hydrating toner. But if you want like a more affordable toner, you can get this simple toner or this face fat toner to hydrate your skin, balance your skin pH, and prepare your skin for the other products that will penetrate into your skin. Now the next thing you'll be needing is a very good vitamin C serum. Emphasis on a very good quality vitamin C serum. Now there are different vitamin C serums in the market. Don't get a vitamin C serum of 3.5 or 2.5 and expect to see massive results. If you want to see the potential of vitamin C, get yourself a very good vitamin C serum. A very good vitamin C serum can brighten your dull skin, can bring out your skin radiance. Just get yourself a very good, well formulated vitamin C serum. If there is anything you need to splurge on a good vitamin C serum. We have this one from Timeless. This is a very good vitamin C serum, and it also contains ferulic acid. We also have this one from Advanced Clinicals. Any of these serums you can see on the screen are very good, but they are pricey. But if you want a more affordable alternative that is like low in price but also very good, get this one from Balance Active. I always recommend this Balance Active vitamin C serum to my clients. It is affordable but very effective. All these, your Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum or your Esteline, they will not do anything for you. You will use 10 bottles, still nothing. So why not get one serum that you know that one is one? Like before you even finish one bottle, you will see good results. So invest in a very good vitamin C serum. Now, if you're not a fan of vitamin C, if you and vitamin C don't go hand in hand, like people don't work in the same direction, then opt for niacinamide. Now, for your niacinamide to brighten you need to use a niacinamide serum that contains at least 5% of niacinamide. So from 5% to 10% can actually brighten your skin. 15% might be too high. Okay, some people's skin, in fact most people's skin cannot handle 15%, but 5 to 10% is the adequate concentration of niacinamide that you need in your serum for it to brighten your skin. So if your skin cannot handle vitamin C, or if you have an oily skin and you need something that will help to control oil production, then opt for niacinamide. You can get this one from Serum. This will help to brighten your skin very well. It contains 10% niacinamide and 2% beta-arbutin. You can also get this one from Anua. It contains 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid. If you can afford it, get it. Another niacinamide serum that will help to brighten your skin, improve your skin's radiance, is this Axis XY niacinamide serum. This contains like 5% of niacinamide and other hydrating ingredients that will help to hydrate your skin and brighten your skin too. Step 4 is to moisturize. You need something to seal in the moisture, and this is where your moisturizer comes in. Now get a lightweight moisturizer for your skin type. If you have an oily skin, look for a lightweight or a water-based moisturizer. You can get the simple hydrating moisturizer if you're on a budget. If you have money to splurge on your moisturizer, you can get this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. This contains hyaluronic acid, and it is very good for people with oily skin. Like if you have an oily skin, you are going to love this moisturizer so much. And if you have a dry skin, look for a rich and a creamy moisturizer. If you're on a budget, get this one from Simple. This is the Simple Replenishing Face Moisturizer. You can also get this one from Face Fact. This is also an affordable alternative for people with dry skin. If you have more money to splurge, then you can get this CeraVe Hydrating Moisturizer. Now you're going to apply a pea-sized amount on your face. So after your serum, you apply your moisturizer, and then you go into the next step, which is the most important step, your sunscreen. Now, if you want to protect the effort of all the other steps, your step 1, your step 2, step 3, step 4, if you want to protect all their efforts and if you want them to work well for you, then you need your sunscreen. Get a good broad spectrum sunscreen. I don't want to see you use Dr. Rachel or Esteline. Get a good broad spectrum sunscreen that will give you maximum protection from the sun. No sun protection, no glowing skin. They work hand in hand. Now, these are the steps you're going to take for your morning skincare routine. Then at night, you are going to repeat everything else apart from your vitamin C serum and your sunscreen. Now, if you want to improve your glow, if you want to glow more, if you want to have that brighter complexion, that radiant skin, then you need to include an exfoliant in your nighttime skincare routine. I don't want to see you carry salt or sugar scrub and use on your face. Gone are those days of using physical exfoliants on your face. You can use them on your body, but for your face, get yourself a chemical exfoliant and your skin will thank you. If your skin is dull, if your skin is not glowing, exfoliation is the key. Exfoliate, 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 but don't overdo it. Now, as a beginner, you need to be mindful of the kind of exfoliants you use so that you don't damage your skin barrier. So you're going to get an exfoliant that suits your skin type. If you have a dry skin, look for lactic acid. So you can get a lactic acid serum or a toner that contains lactic acid. If you have an oily skin, look for an exfoliant that contains glycolic acid, either a toner or a serum. For people with oily or normal skin, I recommend the ordinary glycolic acid toner. If this is too pricey for you, then get this one from Revox. It also contains the same 7% of glycolic acid. It is pretty much going to do the same thing that your ordinary would do for you. You can also get this Balance Active 10% AHA plus 2% BHA if you have a normal or an oily skin. But ensure that you are exfoliating your skin 2 to 3 times weekly and you are going to get a glowing skin. See guys, these are the only products you need in your skincare routine if you are a beginner. Even if you're not a beginner and you want to just simplify your routine, this is what will give you a glowing skin. You don't need to do so much. You don't need to add anything extra. These are the key and the important things you need in your skincare routine to help you achieve a glowing and a radiant skin within 3 to 4 weeks. By the time you take these steps, you use these products, you adhere to all the instructions that I've given in this video, trust me, you are going to see great changes in your skin. Your skin will begin to glow. Your skin will begin to look very, 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 very attractive. So guys, we'll come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't to join this amazing, beautiful family. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.